What's up guys, world's second largest mobile phone company Huawei is lying again. When Samsung introduced Galaxy Fold device, Huawei also introduced foldable device which called Mate X. Mate X device powered with Kiring 980 chipset. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. Mate X have 4500 mAh battery. It supports 55 watt fast charge. When we look at the camera section, Mate X get triple camera setup, 40 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel telephoto lens and 16 megapixel ultrawide lens. When device unfold, you get 8-inch display. It's larger than the Galaxy Fold device. However, Mate X device only available at China because of the US government ban. During the CES 2020, Samsung CEO said company sold 400,000 Galaxy Fold device. Huawei also responded this and said they sold 200,000 Mate X units. This information can't be true. As I mentioned, Mate X only available at China because of Mate X don't have Google service. Mate X device will cost around $2,450 US. Samsung sell 400,000 units for whole world. Huawei sell half of that only for China. This is totally untrue. Also, reputable leaker Ice Universe estimate they sold about 5,000 units. Huawei has bad record in past few years delivering wrong information to the customers. There is competition between Huawei and Samsung to be the #1 mobile device company. Due to the US government ban, Huawei struggled and they got support only from home country. Few months back, Huawei challenged to Samsung they come to #1 place very soon. But without Google service, it's just a dream. I believe Huawei will get access to Google service. As a tech lover, I like to see the competition between the companies. It's helped to experience best service and product in future. Let me know your thought in the comments. Do subscribe and ring the bell for latest updates. I'll see you again. Peace out.